I do not like.
Okay, that's in the house.
Would you like them here or...
There.
I would not like them
In the house.
here or there. I would not like them.
Anywhere.
I do not like.
Okay, that's in the house.
I do not like them.
Some I am.
Would you like them?
In the house.
Would you like them
The mouse.
with a mouse?
Mouse.
I do not like them in a...
House.
I do not like them with a...
Mouse.
I do not like them.
And here, there.
I do not like them.
Anywhere.
I do not like.
Maybe I can go.
I do not like them.
Some I am.
Would you eat them?
In the box.
Would you eat them?
With the box.
Not in a
Box.
box. Not with a...
Box.
Not in a...
House.
Not with a...
Mouse.
I would not eat them.
Here, there.
I would not eat them.
Anywhere.
I would not eat green
As.
and I do not like them.
Some I am.
Would you, could you
Uncle.
eat them, eat them?
It's,
Here they are. I would not, could not in a car. You may like them, you will see. You may like them in a tree.